up? If you are new to my channel, just make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and that notification bell so you can see any videos that I post. You'll be the first one to know about it. On my channel, you'll see anything from fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I have something very fun and exciting. So I don't know if you are a fan of my channel. One of my most popular videos is the Makiage makeup foundation review. So I have something very similar coming to you guys today. Now, this foundation I have never heard of. The brand of this foundation is called Hide. Like I said before, I never heard of it. This is one that you cannot purchase in stores. Not that I know of, from my knowledge. You can't buy it in stores. So I thought that I would give it a try and come and show you guys. So I already opened it, but this is the box that it came in. It came in a simple box. There was no fancy packaging or anything. And then the foundation, I purchased the foundation and the concealer. I thought it would be better if you could see the combination together. So I went ahead on the site, and like any other site, when you don't know what color you need, I went ahead and took the quiz. I think it did, like, it'll tell you other brands and you can pick which one you're similar to. This one didn't have like the quiz where you have to pick which skin tone that you look closest to. So this one, it didn't come in like any fancy box like the Makiage. This is not to do a comparison video, but it came in a box like this and it's wrapped up with plastic so you know that no one used it. So it also has the expiration date at the bottom. This one says January 8th, 2023. Benefits of it is it's oil-free, undetectable. Skin types are normal, dry, oily, or combination. So pretty much all skin types can use this foundation. The coverage is medium and full, and the finish is natural. Formulated without animal testing, and it's cruelty-free. So this is pretty good, and on the other side it also has the ingredients of everything that they use. And the color that they said was my skin tone was Espresso. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so you guys can see what the bottle looks like. Okay. This one is real cute. It looks like a perfume kind of type bottle. It's very fancy. It doesn't look cheap. It's like a plastic bottle, but there's no glass, which I love because the other day I am devastated because I just brought this foundation. I dropped my MAC foundation on the floor and the glass broke. So this is pretty good that it is not a glass container. It is plastic. If you drop it, it won't break. And it has a snap top and it has a pump. It got a pump. Hey, it got a pump. You know, I love pumps because then you're not putting out too much product. So pumps are like my favorite. So this is really, really good. It has a pump. Moving on to the concealer. So the concealer comes in this type of box. It's a black box, and it also has the same information on the side as the foundation. So it's exactly the same. The expiration date is the same. And then the color of the foundation that they told me was Walnut. So, and I will also put all of this information in the description below. I will have to check to see how much I paid because usually I just be buying stuff and I don't be looking at the price. And I just be broke at the end of the week. So that's the story of my life. All right, so this one comes in a black bottle. Same thing, it's plastic, it's not glass, and it's smaller than the foundation. The concealer is smaller than the foundation in a smaller bottle, so that is the difference in size. And then this one should also have a pump top. I can't get it. Oh no, this ain't no pump top, y'all. I lied. So this one has like a little screw top, and I'm guessing it has like a spoolie. Yep. So this is how the concealer looks, and I'm gonna show you guys the colors. Ooh, that's kind of light. I don't know now, but this looks like it matches my Cool Tan. If you guys are a fan of LA Pro Girl concealer, this looks, oh no, it's lighter than Cool Tan. So this one is the Cool Tan and this one is the concealer of the Hide. So I don't know because this is the color that I've been using. So if it's that light, it may not work out for me, but we'll see. So yeah, let me guys show you what the foundation looks like. So this is the foundation. It's very liquidy. I was to compare this to my MAC foundation. This one is the MAC foundation and then this one is the Hide foundation. So this color of the MAC is the NC50. So that is the color that I use, the NC50, but then this is the Espresso of the Hide. So these tones are a lot different than what I'm used to. So hopefully it works out. I also have Beauty Bakerie. I just didn't do this swatch because I know a lot of people aren't familiar with this product. But this is the Beauty Bakerie. Oh God, these shades are all over the place. I'll probably be looking like a clown in these streets, honey. Cause that's like totally different shades. So in the Beauty Bakerie, disregard the bottle, it's all messy. The color I use is the 317W. I was to put the Makiage, is the one that I was telling you guys about, my most popular makeup video. Let me see if I can, yeah, I got some more left in that. Oh, Jesus. Lord have mercy. All these colors are different. I look kind of weird. All these colors are different, so I don't know what's gonna happen when I put this on my face. But once again, this is the Hide foundation. This is the MAC, the NC50. This is the Beauty Bakerie, the 317W. And then this is the Makiage. That color was 170, woke up like this. So I don't know what to expect because all of these colors are lighter than what I usually use. I also have my LA Pro Girl Concealer Fawn. I don't know if anything is gonna come out of here because it's super, super old. Okay, so, yeah. So this is the LA Pro Girl Concealer, the color Fawn. I also tapped that on there right there. So as you can see, this is a different shade from Cool Tan. It's a lot darker than the Cool Tan, but I was told to start using the Cool Tan to give me more of a highlight. But then again, the Hide concealer is still very light. And then last but not least, I have the Tarte's Tan Sand. So let's see what this color looking like. Okay, so this concealer looks like it's a little bit closer to the Tan Sand, but now that it's sitting on my skin, it's looking white. So I don't know if this is gonna work out, y'all. And this is not like Makiage where if it doesn't work out that you can return it. But the items I think were only $16 each, so it wasn't a big price difference. But yeah, so I don't know. We're gonna see how this turns out, and I'm just gonna put it on, and I'll be back in a second. So stay tuned. So I put my little clips on to move my hair back, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some pumps. And what I wanted to say is, I usually use my orange corrector, LA Pro Girl, on my, like, I got dark circles under my eyes, sleepy bags, and then as you can see, I have a lot of dark spots and blemishes. So I usually cover that up, but because this is called Hide, I'm guessing that it's gonna do the job where I don't have to put that product on. So I am gonna skip that step, but that is what I usually do for my makeup routine. I usually put the LA Pro Girl Concealer on there, but I'm just gonna skip that today. Y'all, this look kind of good now. Hold up. I still see some dark circles, but I didn't even have to put a lot of product on. It already looks good. I'm sure when it dries, it won't look as oily or shiny, but a little goes a long way with this one. So this might be a little bit good or whatever. I know I was scared with the swatches, but just based off of how it looks right now, it doesn't look bad at all. I had like a little mark up here. You can't even see that. I don't want to go close because I put this wig on myself and y'all probably gonna see the hairline and all that. I ain't plucking and all that stuff. So don't be judging me. I tried. As you can see, that little mark that I had right here in the beginning is also gone. The blemishes are gone. There's no dark circles. So hide might be where it's at, honey, because they had all the teas. I went ahead and wet my sponge, and now we're gonna go ahead and hop into the concealer to see if this is gonna conceal or whatever the case may be. It better, because I don't know if you can return this. I'm gonna look into the policy and see, but I think this color is way too light. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply. Ooh. I don't know, y'all. That computer might be wrong. This looks way too light. I'm gonna go ahead and continue my face, but I wanted you guys just to see what the foundation and the concealer looks like. To me, this looks perfect because it covered up all of my blemishes and all of my, you know, flaws and all, how Beyonce say. So I think it was really good. It did the job. It did the job. So I was just a little scared about the colors being off, which, as you can see, the colors are way off from all of the other foundations that I use. So I'm happy that I was able to show you guys that. So I'm going to continue to do my face. So just off of that alone, I don't think it's bad. You know how you get different images from the camera, from when you go out, you think you do your makeup all bomb, and then when you start taking pictures, you look like boo boo the fool. Like, it just don't look good. So I don't know. Hopefully this look looks good. I just wanted you guys to see what the foundation looked like, and I think it did the job. I would give this foundation like I would say a 9. This is not a sponsor video. I spent my own coins or whatever, but it's not bad at all. It doesn't look cakey, so that's the one thing that I like. It doesn't look like too much makeup on. It sits just right. The foundation has set by now, so it's not bad at all. That's why I would give it an 8 or a 9. If you guys are feeling this video, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. If you have tried or heard about this foundation, let me know if you have. And then if you know another foundation that I can get online that you can't get in store, then let me know so I can review it for you guys and you can match the colors or whatever the case may be. But I hope you guys are feeling this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can see any videos that I post. You guys have a wonderful night. Peace.